This tiny orange fruit can boost your immunity, help your skin glow, and support your heart all in one bite. Clementines are small, sweet, and easy to peel. They are a mix of mandarin and orange, loved for their juicy taste. But they are not just tasty, they are packed with nutrients too. Let's look at their benefits, nutrition, and side effects. Nutrition facts. Clementines are low in calories but rich in essential nutrients, making them an excellent choice for a healthy snack. One medium clementine contains only about 35 calories while providing a generous amount of vitamin C, dietary fiber, potassium, and folate. It also contains small amounts of calcium and vitamin A, which help support strong bones, healthy vision, and a well-functioning immune system. Because clementines are made up of nearly 85–90% water, they help keep your body hydrated and refreshed throughout the day. Their natural sugars provide a quick and healthy energy boost without the added sugars found in many processed snacks. Thanks to their combination of vitamins, minerals, water, and fiber, clementines are a nutritious fruit that supports overall health while fitting easily into a balanced diet. Boosts immunity. Clementines are rich in vitamin C, which helps your body fight off colds and infections. Just one clementine can give you a good part of your daily vitamin C needs. Regularly eating them can strengthen your immune system, especially during flu season. Supports heart health. The potassium and fiber in clementines are good for your heart. Potassium helps control blood pressure, while fiber lowers bad cholesterol levels. Eating clementines regularly may reduce the risk of heart disease over time. Good for skin. Vitamin C is not just good for immunity, it also helps your skin. It supports collagen production, which keeps skin firm and youthful. Antioxidants in clementines also protect your skin from damage caused by sun and pollution. Aids digestion. Clementines contain fiber, which helps keep your digestive system running smoothly. Fiber adds bulk to your stool and prevents constipation. It also feeds good bacteria in your gut, supporting overall gut health. Helps control weight. Since clementines are low in calories and high in fiber, they make a great snack for weight control. Fiber keeps you full for longer, reducing the urge to overeat. They are a healthy alternative to sugary snacks. Side effects. While clementines are healthy, eating too many can cause problems. Their natural sugar and acid content may upset your stomach if eaten in excess. People with citrus allergies should avoid them. Also, the acidity can affect tooth enamel over time, so it's best to rinse your mouth after eating them. Clementines are a small fruit with big benefits, from boosting immunity to supporting your heart and skin. Just remember to enjoy them in moderation. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more health tips, and let us know your favorite way to eat clementines in the comments below.